will see one more example on kinematics of rigid body. This time the example is shown here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pulleys connected with belt. So if I read the example, the power of a car engine is transmitted using the belt and pulley arrangement shown here. The engine turns pulley A at 50 radian per second. That means the angular speed here, that means omega A here is 50 radian per second. What is the angular velocity of B and D? That means B and D, what is the angular velocity? And the diameter of the pulley A, B, C, D are 0.5, 0.7, 0.2, 0.4, 0.5. This one is 0.7, this one is 0.2, this one is 0.4. These are diameter, radius is half. Okay, so how to find it? Okay, I took this problem in the paint here. So here my radius is known, here my radius is 0.35, here my radius is 0.1, here my radius is 2, and the angular velocity of A is given. Now the theory here is, what you need to know conceptual is this: whenever A will rotate, C will rotate. Now whatever the belt will belt, this belt will go this way. So if my belt goes this way, it must go the same amount this way. That means the linear velocity here and here must be same. That is the theory. BA and BC must be same. Now the angular velocity will not be same. It changes with the radius of the wheel. So but whatever the belt will go, if the belt goes this way 2 meter, it must go here 2 meter. That means linear velocity is same, angular is not. So that is the theory here. So BA is BC. Now what is BA? BA is omega A RA equal omega C RC. Now here what is known? Omega A is known, 50 radian per second. RA is known, that is 0.25 feet. RC is known, that is 0.1. Then we will find the omega C. So this way we can find omega C. So that is the way to find omega C. Now what is the connection between C and B? Both will rotate at the same speed. Both the rotate will same speed because the hub at C is rigidly connected to B. That means B and C, they are connected together. Whatever the rotation of C, that will be the rotation of B. So both have the same angular speed. That means whatever omega C I am getting from here, that is also omega B. Once I know omega B, my omega B and omega D are equal. Then I can find the omega D here. So that is the theory or concept here. Then here I will show you how I solved it. So first BA we found, that means velocity at A, I found this. Then the theory is BA equal BC. Then from the calculation I found omega C. Now omega C and omega B will be equal because they are connected. Once I find whatever the omega C, that is omega B. Now VB and VD, they are equal. VB, VD, why they are equal? Because whatever the movement here, that will be movement here. So VB and VD same, that means linear velocity in B and D will be same. Okay, then I can find omega B RB equals omega D RD. I don't know, do I need this equation here? BA omega C? No, I do not need this equation here. I don't know why I wrote it here. But as I know my VB, then I can find my omega D. So this is the theory. Okay, so hopefully you understood. I will wrap up here. Okay, thank you.